Hey everyone, Daniel from LMN here. Today, for tips and tricks, we're talking about wasted time on your maintenance routes. So, wasted time really is the enemy here, especially whether it's in traffic, you took the wrong turn, or maybe the jobs are not ordered in the best way possible. So, instead of the pen and paper approach or using an Excel sheet to try and figure it out yourself and changing the order of the jobs every once in a while as changes are made, you could just use the job groups in LMN. What we can do here is under job group type, we can make sure that we have the route option selected as opposed to standard. Once we've done this, we actually have the map route button pop up right here. Once we click on it, you'll notice a few things. We can add a start address, an end address, and even a time of day for when we hit the road. This helps take traffic into account. Then we click optimize. This will reorder the jobs that you have in this group, which is meant for your maintenance route, every single time in the most efficient way. And this will help you reduce your wasted hours and it will allow you to maximize your revenue per hour for the year. That's it for tips and tricks today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.